Hello from Importa, my name is Sophia, and look what I have important for you today. Have you ever noticed how some interiors look incredibly clean, minimal, and seamless? That effect often comes from a simple design detail, the shadow gap. A shadow gap is a narrow, recessed line between walls, ceilings, or floors that replaces traditional skirting or bulky trims. It's a smart architectural feature used in modern interiors to create depth, visual contrast, and refined edges, without any visible joints or framing. In this example, you'll see different types of shadow gaps from the Importa catalog. Each aluminum profile is designed for specific applications, from floor-to-wall transitions to ceiling recesses and around door frames. They are always available in our Dubai warehouse in white and black colors, 1 bar 2 meter length, applicable with LED stripe and diffusers. And here's how they look in real-life projects: clean lines, sharp corners, and no visible moldings. These systems are not just for aesthetics, they also hide imperfections, allow material expansion, and make maintenance easier. Whether you're designing for luxury villas, commercial spaces, or contemporary apartments, shadow gaps are a must-have detail. Want to integrate this into your next project? Reach out to Importa for supply and installation across the UAE and KSA. Clean, modern, seamless, that's the power of the shadow gap. Comment samples to receive your free sample set. Thank you for being with us today, and see you in next videos.